Nurses can potentially be the determining factor between life and death. Professional nursing responsibilities have changed considerably over time. Nurses today are highly respected and valued members of the healthcare team who bring their own body of knowledge to the process of healthcare. I'm sure most of you didn't know that nurses have a unique scope of practice and can practice independently, although they also collaborate with all members of the healthcare team to provide the care needed by each patient as an individual. Nursing is the fastest growing occupation in the U.S. Nurses make up the majority of the healthcare industry, and that number is going up, with 581,500 more nursing jobs by 2018. That's 22% more than what was available in 2008. Why? There are a lot of reasons, including an aging population and a shrinking nursing workforce. A registered nurse is the professional you'll likely have the most contact with during a hospital stay. They're responsible for monitoring a patient's condition, performing medical procedures, and administering medicine. They are also responsible for charting a patient's progress. These professionals work with a range of patients, from those who are healthy and are proactively trying to stay that way, to those who are pregnant and bringing new life, to those who are nearing the end of life and hoping for a peaceful death. Although you can get an entry-level RN position with an associate degree or a diploma program, the industry standard is fast becoming a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree. For those who have already earned a bachelor's degree, you know that the program can take anywhere from 12 to 18 months. During nursing school, students will get a broad education with coursework ranging from anatomy to pharmacology to public health. And all programs will have some clinical aspect where students provide patient care under the supervision of certified nurses. In addition to graduating from an accredited program, students will have to pass a national licensing examination known as the National Council License Examination, and candidates may have to meet other requirements that vary by state. Nursing professions give you as many choices of where to work, areas to specialize in, and degrees to use. Many nurses also specialize and work with patients who have certain health conditions. They can also specialize by parts of the body. For instance, there are dermatology nurses, cardiovascular nurses, among many others. Nursing also specializes by people, like newborn babies, or by the environment, like a school or emergency room at a hospital. Nursing specialties is also as varied as the personalities of the nurses themselves. There are numerous specialty options, each of which has its own training or certification requirements. There's a career in nursing for you, no matter what type of personality you have. General and surgical hospitals, 29% of nurses work there. Doctors' offices have 15% of nurses. Nursing care facilities have 13%. Outpatient facilities have 10%. And home health services have 8%. Nursing school graduates can earn some of the highest starting salaries among others in the industry. Overall, nursing salaries vary depending on a number of factors: level of nursing degree and nursing education, years of experience in a chosen field, the state and city where you work and live, which is the cost of living, type of work you do, and type of specialty you pursue. Personal care services, which is like the hospitals and doctor's office, nurses make about $86,000 a year. Federal executive branch, they make $79,000. Pharmaceutical and medical manufacturing, they make $74,000. Nurses that work at colleges, universities, professional schools, they make $74,000. And medical equipment and supplies make $74,180 a year. The nursing career is very flexible. You have flexible schedules depending on the specialty field you choose. You'll end up working 4, 8, 10, or 12-hour shifts. You can work weekends, weekdays, or a combination of both, all depending on the type of nursing work you choose to do. There's flexible locations. Healthcare is needed everywhere. You can work in hospitals, doctor's office, home health offices, or nursing homes. You can also end up traveling across the country or the globe. No matter what destination, a nurse will always be needed. There's flexible in the career itself, within 104 specialties and a number of advanced nursing degrees. It's easy to see why most nurses change jobs throughout their careers. As a nurse, you can move laterally to another specialty or build on your education and move up. Professional nursing responsibilities have changed considerably over time. Nurses develop and manage nursing career plans, instruct patients and their families in proper care, and help individuals and groups take steps to improve or maintain their health. Many nurses choose to focus on a particular specialty in nursing. Nursing can be a very rewarding career, knowing at the end of the day you have impacted someone's life while doing what you love. All my work cited came from the American Association of College of Nursing and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Thanks.